This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Twilight 2800 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, skylight, TV antenna, LP detector, self-contained, TV, microwave, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Thor Motor Coach Twilight 2800 is 6,546 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.